What's the meaning of carpet sweeper? Carpet sweeper. Carpet sweeper.
Carpet sweeper. Carpet sweeper. A carpet sweeper is a manual cleaning device used for removing dust and debris from carpets. It typically consists of a brush roll or series of brushes that rotate when pushed across the carpet, collecting and depositing dirt and debris into a container attached to the device. Carpet sweepers are quiet, lightweight, and do not require electricity, making them a convenient and eco-friendly alternative to vacuum cleaners for smaller areas or quick cleanups. They are also helpful for people who want to avoid using harsh chemicals or allergenic sprays on their carpets.